Alright, so let's get our morning started as a female who does flatbed full time. I don't do it all the time, but I'm gonna work out. So I got some good pre-workout. I got pineapple juice, and then I got ice right here. So let me show you how it looks when I'm done. I already had ice and cold pineapple juice in there because when you're a truck driver, you gotta be able to smell good too. So I try not to eat like a pirate. Oh, it does have a scooper. Oh.
I choose to live my life on my terms.
This particular toner or pre-workout that I found, it like curbs your appetite, gives you good energy, and it's great. I like it so far. I'm not consistent with it, but you know, hey, we do what we do when we can. Alright, we are at the Phoenix terminal. I always park over there. We're gonna go to the gym, and I'm not gonna record all this, but it's big here. You guys should come. It's awesome. They have so many amenities here in Arizona. This is the reefer building, and then the driver center. I'm gonna show you everything before I leave because I'm headed up to Utah, but I'm on a 34-hour reset. Look at this. There's so much work out here, so much money to be made, and there's so much more for everybody. I gotta wait until my pre-workout kick in, so I gotta go drop this off at driver qualifications because a student left this on the truck and I just found it. So there we go. There's a little place over there for dogs if y'all don't want to take your dogs into the terminal or the driver's lounge. This is the other part of the driver's lounge, and that over there is the admin building. That's where Flatbed is at. They have 2 new trucks out here. I like that blue for anyone who wants to become an owner-op with the best company on the market. We have dispatch, planners, everybody who's awesome. Everybody's amazing here. And we are going to just go say hi to everybody as the pre-workout starts to kick in. Let's see where we're at today. Oh, hey, we're down 5 pounds. Winning. All right, so we're gonna do 10 minutes on this just to get warmed up. All right, now let's work out upper body until I make the decision if I want to get upper arm lipo. Let's start with 20. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that's too late. Alright, let's try again. Let's try with 30 and do 20 reps. Okay, 10 down, 10 more to go. Alright. This pre-workout be having me thinking I could do anything. I'm no spring chicken. All of 28. Woo. So on these, I'm not going to increase it since it hurts if I do a 40. I ain't got none to prove. So we're just going to increase our reps to 20. Step back. See how the feet are? Ooh. Keeping your chin aligned. Okay, that's 10. Hold on. Wait a minute. I'll be back. When you're short, you got it. Oh, boy. See, I need my ladder for my flatbed. Jeez, I can't reach it. Oh, there we go. We don't need no help. We're independent women. Even with that one thing that everybody like. All right, so we're going to do 30 pounds, and it's going to be like this. This looks funny. round 2. Let's go 40 and we're gonna do 20. I'm gonna record it so y'all can see how pretty these nails are. Yes, I do. Flatbed with long nails. Okay. So I'm gonna lean back a little bit, arch my back. 1. I let it gently touch my chest without jerking it. Nice slow power movements to optimize this hour that we're in here. Because we have to get on the road. I say we because whoever watching this. So we. I can't say the voices in my head. My therapist said that's not real. For me. I'm joking. I'm so joking. I think that's 7. More. Oh. Let's do 2 more just because I lost count. Okay. Woo. Okay. Next. Almost done. Just a few seconds longer. This is just a warm up. All right. Alright, let's go and get some stuff from the store. I don't know.